Welcome back to Daytime Live. We are happy to be joined again today by the hottest reggae band, Raging Fire.
Wonder if you warm now.
They're here today to give us an exclusive performance of their new single, Rebel. Respect, Kumar. What going on, General? You've been on the road touring still. Tell us about some of the things that's been happening for Raging Fire.
Well, Raging Fire, you know, we've been touring extensively since January.
Which is right.
You know, this year we toured, the East Coast in the United States along with Revolution.
Nice.
You know, and right now we're gearing up to go back out on tour a few weeks from now, you know, in the US, Cali Roots, a few festivals and some headlining shows for Raging Fire.
You have to be careful, you know, but I give Revolution too much secrets.
Yeah, but I mean, you don't know what's going on. I mean, Revolution is a good reggae band, them a pull some.
Tell us about the album though. You have an album.
And the name.
Yeah, so right now the name of the album I won't give, but we have a brand new album. We have a brand new album working on right now, you know, with our label Dub Rockers and through the DP Records. So, I mean, we're to play this song for you, Rebel.
Yeah.
Honorable Rebel.
All right, so let's take it
let's
away.
listen to that.
Rebel.
Rebel thing.
Raging Fire. Feels so warm.
Rebel. Say I'm an a rebel with a cause, and a rebel and no if nor because. No. Say I'm an a rebel in a life, and a rebel and a yes Selassie I. Say I'm an a rebel and a mission, and a rebel never cause no division. Say I'm an a rebel in a life, and a rebel stand firm and a strive. So forward, Jaja children, marching unto Zion, justice in your right hand, yeah. Oh, you know we be strong. Say forward, Jaja children, marching into battle, justice in your right hand. I said the system must get trampled. Honorable rebel with a cause. Say honorable rebel with a cause. Say honorable rebel with a cause. Yes. Say honorable rebel. The road of life get rocky. You know you've got to trot along. I tell you, yes, my sisters and brothers, don't you give up on each other. Road of life get rocky. You know you've got to keep it moving, and the load you carry, you know it's not forever. No matter how dark the roads, no matter how dark the clouds, still the light comes shining through for you, children. Forward, Jaja children, marching unto Zion. So many years of trying, the system keep you down. So forward, Jaja children, marching into battle, justice in your right hand. I said the system must get trampled. Forward, Jaja children, marching unto Zion. So many years of trying, the system keep you down. So forward, Jaja children, marching into battle, justice in your right hand. I said the system must get trampled.
Woo!